Don't listen to that. Detective Tap, your mom's a bitch and your grandma died. Because of that, I'll put you in this very complicated trap that you will never break out of, and I'll judge you some more. Here we go. Damn, these damn bombs again. What's that? I got an hour? Or is that a minute? Oh boy, I'm gonna mess this up. Welcome to Apollo's World, where the destination is the constellation of the mind, and your boy is back. What's cracking, y'all? The people have spoken. Put up a poll last night. Got some overwhelming results. You already know the game that we about to play. That's right. We jumping in it. It's kind of hard to get this game. So what I found out was that they got rid of it on Steam because it was poo-poo water. And the game just did not perform well. So now I downloaded a PlayStation 3 emulator and I'm running it on my computer right now. So only God knows how this finna run. Jesus, it's like we're just gonna have to leave it up to God type thing. But I'm excited to play it for real. So we're just gonna jump into it. I'm not the best in I'm not the greatest in situations where there's a lot of pressure going on. I normally like to take my time with things, so when I'm timed, I don't even know how this finna look. This is gonna be kind of embarrassing. So let's do it, boy. Let's just jump into it. Put me in, coach. Put me in. I hope they give you the peace in this gun, I hope they give you the peace in this game, cause I'm finna let my clip go. Damn. It happened to the best of us, bro.
Detective Tap, I want to play a game. Your obsession with catching me has robbed you of your life and the lives of others. You abuse every resource available to you, tearing apart lives in your quest to find the truth. You have lost your family, your badge, even the life of your partner, Detective Singh. You have lost your health, whittled away by the bullet wound in your chest. But you have not given up, have you? Now we will see if you can overcome your obsession. No doubt you remember the device attached to your jaw. It is evidence left over from your investigation. Here's what happened.
Sound is kind of gross. I mean, look, this PS3 emulator gonna do its best, so we're just gonna have to leave it up to God.
And let it tear you apart. The choice is yours.
Jigsaw be doing the most. Oh, here we go. Oh. Wait, what? Do I have to press it when the light is on? Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm gonna mess this up. Y'all don't know I'm wilding out on my controller right now. Oh. Take it off.
Where are you, Jigsaw? I won't play your game. I won't!
We have to, stupid. Why are you wilding out like this? As if it ain't already... We already in it, bro. Cut it out. Alright. I see some numbers right here, so... combination. Alright, so it's probably for that. This third person stuff is weird. This don't make no damn sense. We have to do guess? Yeah, it looked like an 8. Maybe, I don't... Oh. Look at that. I do this Jigsaw stuff for real. 437. Ooh, it's a foot. Alright. I do this for real. Stop playing. Watch. In it. Let me in, coach. type of rat was that? Ooh. Ooh, I really hope y'all could bear with that, for real. I'm sorry. In all honesty, I shouldn't even be playing this right now. There's no reason why I have a PlayStation running on my computer. And then they always do that. They always blame you. Bro, I just got here.
Will require teamwork. Activating the panel will open both doors. Detective Tapp, you must first find the object in the toilets to unlock the panel. As for the toilet, I've gathered refuse from the obsessions of drug addicts. Now detective,
Bro, what?
throw others discarded trash as you forced others to dig through doors. If either one of you fails in your task,
Bro.
the in this room will detonate. I suggest you hurry.
Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, it's a minute. Oh. Alright, so I gotta go through the toilets. Oh, no. Why did I skip that? What did it say? Oh, we're just going to have to go through with it. Grab, move, give up. Oh, that was it? Oh my god, I need to stop skipping those. Oh, ew. The sound is gross. I really hope like that's not like a long-term thing. I just hope it's like this part of the game is doing all that.
Are you barefoot? Shit, luck. Getting across that glass is gonna hurt. You aren't getting my shoes.
Yeah, bare feet. Certain hazards in the air. Alright. So what's that glass? Me not step in it then. For what, dog? I just gotta constantly look down? That's a little annoying. I mean, it's not a first person game. Press to turn light. Right now, you have a lighter. Oh, this is great. They're gonna jump scare. Oh shit. And oh damn. Hey, yo, take it easy, champ. Why you came over here to do all that for? You could have done that over there, bro. Probably gonna close on this on. Who that? Hey, cuz.
Never appreciate life until they have to work to save their own. They go from cradle to grave, expecting the world to give them everything. I show them the possibility of death and the sacrifices they have to make. To stay alive, we will see what sacrifices you will make when the time comes.
Ain't there a better way of proving that, bro? We could have dead just sat down and talked about it. I mean, I don't see why we had to jump to this. But that's okay. I don't know if that was supposed to be a jump scare or what, but that didn't really do much for me. Reading content. Miss me with that. I'm sorry. Oh, what?
Detective Tapp will be here soon. This is the first victim of his obsession. He should be able to hear her, but she is drugged. Tapp knows how the game works and what will happen if he does not release her in time. Hide the key to her cell, and we will see if the detective can protect his witnesses.
Damn, that shit is gross. Oh.
What are you doing?
Sorry, buddy. This is part of my game. Nothing personal. I'd grab something quick, though, if I was you.
How you whack me in the leg and then... Yep. Hold L2 to enter combat stance with either your fist or a weapon. Press X for light attack, square for heavy attack. Block with circle. Alright. Yeah, this is kind of a lot of reading content. I get it though. Come forward with me. Bink. Oh, damn. Ayo. Wait, bro. Come on. Slow down. Wait, hold up. Bro, he's not. You miss? Dink. Stop playing with me. I do this combat stuff. Yeah, you want some too.
No! You said you'd free me if I brought him here. My game is over.
Damn. Maybe that mean I shouldn't be going through doors while. Hold up. If you had the key on you the whole time, bro, why was you on me about a key? And don't tell me this open the door neither, 'cause I'm gonna be tight. You deserve to be there, for real. Acorn stair lift ass. Ah, damn. Oh, shit. Jigsaw has booby-trapped doors in the asylum. Quickly press the appropriate button. I'm gonna mess this up, y'all. I'm gonna mess it up. Oh, I guess not. Man, this sound quality gross. Y'all just, for real, I need y'all to stay strong with me. Stay strong. I'm holding up a fist and I'm squeezing it. And I'm shaking it. Just stay strong with me, for real. That looked like reading material. Miss me with that. I get the concept. The dude has a key in his chest. Some of the doors are rigged with lock-picking puzzles. To solve the puzzle, rotate each piece to match the symbols along the inner ring of the chamber. Sounds quite easy. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Doink doink. That. Leave that. Let's do doink doink. No, doink. No, that's not right. I like how it is right now. Doink. We could change this one. Doink. Doink. No. Maybe. Stop playing with me. I does this. I does this. I does this. Hello. Save the woman in the surgical theater. Find the key. Happened to the best of us, my boy. That's crazy. What's that? Pick up audio tape.
Not all my subjects protest their gains, such as you, detective. Some seek purpose and to be tested.
It's gonna go the way that's open already. Oh, that's insane. That doesn't really look like much of a trap, though. It just kind of looks like a way to kill somebody. Ooh. Splishy splashy. The feet noises is bothering me. I'm gonna be a little honest with you. Sound kind of gross. The key to survival lies within. Okay. Stall fuse. Some of the walls on this. Oh. Open up, cousin. Dank. Squeezed her. What we got? Alright. This Jigsaw stuff is crazy. For real. This is nuts. Oh, what is this?
Ready to cut open. Only one contains the means to continue. But the knife may yet betray you. Choose wisely.
Damn. Alright, let's make an educated guess. I'm gonna go with one of these in the back. I don't feel like they'd make it easy and put it in the front. Is that it? Ah! Move your hand, bro. Wow, first time's a charm. Stop playing with me.
No, not again. I passed your test already.
Yet you did not learn your lesson.
I'm sorry, okay? I couldn't help it.
Of course you could. You chose to let your addiction consume you again and again and again.
I don't really get it. I get it, like somebody choosing to do drugs and they're messing their lives up, but bro, you don't gotta put them in a trap that blow your head off and all that, bro. I mean, they chose to do it. I think this is where it came from. They chose to do the drugs. Like, I mean, if that's what they want to do, then toodles to them, for real. Alright. Oh, damn, bro. You're gonna have to get that off. Why would you do that? What did you do that for? Bro, you saw the ditch. Oh, shit. Why would he do that? Can you... I don't know. I ain't gonna hold you. You're asking for... Okay. Well, I guess I'll just kill myself. It's okay. Oh, that was nice. Wait. I have to go through here? I guess, right? No, I need a key. What we got? So what, this? I don't even know what that is. Find a coupler to unlock security gate. Say less. What? Doink. 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 Give me a second, y'all. And doink. Nice. I found nothing. A lot of doors. Layout of this place make no damn sense. What is that? Oh wait, it wasn't that long. Partial medical file. What's the point of that? I ain't even seen nothing. Not playing with me. I guess I go down here maybe. Oh.
Detective Tapp is almost here to release you. He is faster than I anticipated.
I'm confused.
He is here.
Alright.
Your life will depend on it.
Most people get kidnapped, like me.
Darkness also illuminates. Ooh.
The key to any puzzle lies in its pieces. Sometimes you have to look at a problem from a completely different perspective.
What does that mean? It's a bunch of pictures. So maybe one of these holds something. Key lies within its pieces. The only piece that I see is right here. I'm finna crack it open. Huh. Oh. 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 Was that the wrong one? Oh. I got the coupler, so it must be right. Yeah, it must have been. Shit. Faulty ass trap. Another bomb in here. That was insane. Alright, so I guess now I gotta go back, pop the coupler in, and then we moving. And I guess we gotta go save that lady. I don't know how that's gonna go though, cause I don't know. It seems like this. Oh look. I know it's my fault. It's my son. Hello? Who's that? Who is that? Why do I keep hearing him? Alright. Oh boy, it's a puzzle. Here we go. Doink, doink, doink. Okay. Doink, doink. Doink, doink, doink. Stop playing with me. Give me my degree. Should've went to ITT. Oh, was I supposed to do something? Door on now, but oh, the button. Doink. Stop playing with me, man. I does this. I just really just be doing it. Like, come on. I really does this stuff, man. I'm just too good at it at this point. Give me that. Ah, damn. Fuck. Ah, damn. Oh, bro. I'm gonna mess that one up one day, for real. Oh, it's one of these. That's right. Use a scalpel to stab the wall. Why is always a dead dude? Sometimes a bolted door is not enough to keep enemies. Alright. How do you move it? Oh. Pull up, bro. For real. Doink. On you. Doink. On you again. Doink. Stop playing with me. Thank you. Does this combat stuff for real. I need everything right now. I need my military medal for the tactical prowess. I need my degree for my electrician skills. I need it all. Is there a point of me coming here though? Like, I don't... It's kind of a dead end. So there's no point. And this didn't even work. It was to close this door, maybe? Oh. Why would they set it up like that? That was very, like, now you can move it. That's kind of stupid. It's just... Why wouldn't you just have the door closed first so the player could be like, ah, yes. See, they love doing that. They could have did that for that situation, too. they got here? That's too much reading.
The desk in front of you holds the badge of the partner you failed to protect.
Nah.
Getting
Yo,
also holds
Jigsaw is no good for real.
chose not to protect
He just be in it to just judge people.
named detective. Or did you squeeze her for information?
Wow.
Throw her away. You have the key to her chamber. Hurry, or she will join the fate of your lead partner.
See,
And then don't fall for it, bro. He's just trying to get at your emotions. Don't listen to that. Detective Tap, your mom's a bitch and your grandma died. Because of that, I'll put you in this very complicated trap that you will never break out of, and I'll judge you some more. Here we go. Damn, these damn bombs again. What's that? I got an hour? Or is that a minute? Oh boy, I'm gonna mess this up. Oh, what do I do? Oh, can I go back? Oh, they closed the door. Oh, I'm not. Fuse, where does that go? Where does it go? Where does it go? Oh god, maybe somewhere. I'm gonna. Oh. It didn't stop. Maybe I could leave now? 579? Lock. Please. Oh, I'm gonna mess this up. Oh, no. Don't go off. Bro. Come on. Let me in. Oh. How come we could beat up everybody else, but we can't beat up him? I'm tired of this. You rescue her. Okay. Guess so. It's not like I have a choice. Suicide is a choice, but there's no control for that one. Newspaper clipping. Miss me with that educational material. I didn't tell the cops
I know
anything.
you didn't.
Promise I won't do it anymore. The drugs, the cutting, none of it.
I know you won't.
Don't know what else I can say, what else I can give.
Your life.
That doesn't really sound like the Jigsaw from the movies, though. I mean, normally I think the whole point of him was he like give you a chance. Kinda. I mean, that's what happens when you get a different adaptation. They kind of mess up the story, but we just gonna live with it. That's alright.
Get me out of this thing.
Oh,
Hello, Amanda. You remember me? I want to play a game. You told our friendly detective that I saved you. But you forgot your lesson. You damaged your body. With drugs and pain. Now the needle will save your life. Each of you will be injected with different poisons that will slowly break down your body. The device in front of you contains the antidotes.
that looks complicated. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't think you're gonna make it, Amanda.
And the blue vial.
Amanda, I think you're gonna have to pass on this one.
Mixing the antidotes will cause some discomfort. The last time we played, you freed yourself by taking a life.
Bro, I'm a tactical electrician, but I am not a doctor. I don't know if I can do this.
Live or die, Amanda.
That's not true. I surgically removed that key from that dead dude. Oh, I'm gonna mess this up. How does this work? Okay. So it's like a fall system. So I gotta get blue with blue, red with red. So does it keep going right? Like, no, that wouldn't make any sense. So maybe it'll fall back. So if I drop red right now, it'll fall to the left, then to the right, then to the left again. Let's try it. Doink, doink, doink. Okay, I get it. Maybe I could save this hoe. Let's see what we could do. If I drop red, it'll go doink. No. Drop a blue. Doink, doink, blue. Easy. Alright, oh boy. Yeah, I hope I'm not being timed because I'm a little retarded. I gotta take my time. Red, doink. Doink. In it. Alright, we doing great. Wow. Blue, I think. Blue. Boom. 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 Stop playing with me. Alright, red. Doink. 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 Alright, this isn't too bad. Alright, maybe if I drop blue, boink, boink, blue. Doink, doink. Not bad. Damn. Alright, red, doink, doink. Nice. Oh, I'm retarded. Blue. Doink, doink, doink. I need to drop a red now. Just one after the other, I guess. I can't believe I did that. Normally I mess these things up like horribly. Come on, bro. It's not done yet? I gotta do it again? What, blue? Yeah. Sorry for the glitching, y'all. For real, like, that was not my intention. Oh, I see. See, this is how they get you, for real. Now it's a blue. Boom, boom, boom. That's okay. Then now I drop a red. Doom, doom, doom. Nice. Alright, blue. Yikes, yikes. Blue again. Okay. Now if I drop a blue, doink, doink. No, it's a red. Wow. They really tried to make it complicated. Red. Donk, donk. But then now it's a blue. Dun, dun. And then red? Yeah. Red. I can't believe I did that. That was kind of smooth too. Woo! Stop playing with me. Come on, Jigsaw. At this point, just let me out, bro. And then they do the.
I'm not the one who.
It's okay.
Skip this, bro.
I'm okay.
I don't even care what you have to say. They always jump to blaming you. Oh, what did you do to me, bro? I just helped you. You literally was just there. You just heard what he said on the radio.
I can't believe I'm here.
Alright, you know what? I'm capping at 32 minutes.
Look.
Let me pause it right there. Hey, y'all. Bless your heart. Thank y'all for watching. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna keep it going. Remember, Palace World's not just gaming, it's vlogs, it's blogs, it's you name it. So we're gonna get those out there. I'm glad that y'all joined me on this one. I'm actually having a bit of a good time with this. It's kind of fun. Sorry for the lag. It's kind of gross, but we finna push through it. Like I said, like for me to even play this game is insane right now. So welcome to Apollo's World, where the destination is a constellation of the mind, and I will catch y'all later. Cue it.